Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of the morons we see out here on the road. Now you've got this Mini pulling out of this driveway here, Postman Pat reversing down the hill. The driver of the Mini don't see nothing and drives straight into the side of Postman Pat. Okay, now in this next clip we're looking at this black Merc Vito van on the right. Now you know the basics of driving, mirror signal manoeuvre. With this moron, don't worry about that. It's manoeuvre and signal at the same time. Trust in the power of the Lord, and then check your mirror last off to see what damage you left behind you. Definitely missing a ring pull off his can of beer, this moron. Okay, so staying on a similar theme, you got this clip here from Ahmed. Now as you can see, the yellow van on the right there, just pull straight over there. No indication, no mirror, no nothing. As you notice, there's no sign on the back what says no tools left in this van overnight, because the only tool in that van is the driver. But this next clip here from Seth, and he's on the M4, the stretch which is limited to 60. That's why everyone's going slow. Everyone apart from this retard in the Porsche Cayenne. First to the right, then swiftly back to the left. Some people cause happiness wherever they go. This sort of idiot will cause happiness whenever he goes. And just keeps going. Got this clip from Robert V, and there's two cars to pay attention to here. First is this red Jag in front of us. Second is the silver Vauxhall across the road. Both waiting for a gap to become available. There's the gap. Boom, but the red Jaguar just closes the gap and just does the silver Vauxhall in the door there. Now, I don't know who was to blame there, but I do know one thing. If there was a competition for who was the most clueless, the pair of them would probably forget to turn up. Oh, boy. Got this next clip from Russell G, and as you can see, this car is stationary, but the red car is far from stationary and just hits him straight in the rear there. Let's have a steward's inquiry and you're going to see exactly why this happened. Okay, now as the car approaches, look where the driver's right hand is, yeah? It's down by the right hand side of the steering wheel and you'll see it come up. He was obviously texting because that's probably where he keeps his phone down there. What do you reckon? Okay, so we're paying attention to this little silver grey Mercedes there, going around the outside there. It's coming round to the right. Now, you know that saying, out of sight, out of mind. Well, he's gone out of sight. The only mind he's out of is his own, and you'll see why in a minute. Anyway, as you can see, the car with the camera is just going round. And then the idiot who's got a brain as useful as a waterproof tea bag just pulls in front of him there. What an absolute idiot. This next clip here from Michael, and you'll find him on @MichaelBlackCab on X. And we're watching this Uber idiot with the intelligence of an elastic band just drive straight through the red traffic light whilst pedestrians are crossing. Not happy with that. He starts reversing back through the same red light. Man knocks on his window and says, "Listen, pal, if dumbness was an art form, you would be an absolute masterpiece. Bellissimo." Now rest assured, everybody, for Transport for London, that hand out hundreds of these licences to these idiots every week at the cost of about £300 each, safety of the travelling public of London is paramount. Thank goodness for that. Got this clip here from Ed, and it's very typical of what you see. Got this guy here in the left-hand lane. There he is, going all the way up the left-hand lane. There's a car parked there, but because he's got the spatial awareness of a fly stuck on flypaper, he doesn't see it till the last minute. He's a sort of moron who gets hit by a parked car. Got this clip here from Ludajar28, and we're going to see this. Look at this BMW driver here doing what BMW drivers do best. Here he comes like the infantry in battle, bringing up the rear very fast. Goes round the outside. You're going to see him now left, right, and then he's going to go left again. Even if there was a zombie apocalypse, this idiot wouldn't have enough intelligence to be their leader. Okay, so you got this clip here from Randolph, and he's just approaching this roundabout, but he's sitting behind this Arctic, as anyone would do who's got a modicum of road sense and self-preservation. Now, keep your eye on that white van over there. Now, you need to be a bit strategic when you're going round the roundabout. But this white van just pulls out in front of Randolph there, proving that that van driver's got the strategic ability of a squirrel playing chess with a walnut. Got this clip here from Julie57. Look at this idiot in this Mercedes. Just pulls out the garage, straight on the wrong side of the road there. Look, nothing to worry about, nothing to see here. Oh, there's a van coming. Best get on the right side of the road. At this moment in time, that driver is as confused as a penguin was just being dumped in the Sahara Desert. Got this clip here from Michael W. Now pay attention to this little red car. Michael slows down to let him out onto the dual carriageway, and he sits there at about 30 miles an hour. He's a sort of bloke who's been struggling to learn how to play the triangle for about 3 years, but he gave up because he just couldn't grasp the fundamentals of it. Got this clip here from Musa, and he's following this double-decker bus. Got 56 on the back of the bus. That's the driver's IQ. As he sails straight through that red traffic light there. Now, midwives, years ago, they used to smack the baby's bum to make them cry when they was born. That driver's midwife took one look at him and smacked both the parents. Got this clip here from Ryan B, and he's just stopped behind this blue van. But the blue van's just taken it upon himself to reverse straight back into Ryan there. That driver of that van, his brain works as well as an old Nokia flip phone that won't flip open. Got this clip here from Yarrick, and I don't know what country it is, but wherever it is, They do their deliveries fast. They don't mess around. Let's have a little look at this again. Here he comes. Look at him sending it into them corners. Colin McRae or Ken Blockstyle in that box van. Legend. Got another clip here from Ludajar 28. Keep your eye on this red car there. Pull straight out on the roundabout in front of that white car there. He's a real grey sprinkle on a rainbow cupcake, that one, isn't he? Got this clip here from Bogoff21. Everyone's going through their green light. Well, everyone apart from the moron in the black car who just comes from the left, sails straight through his red light in front of the other car, and that black car just done him in the side. What an absolute idiot. He's the human equivalent of a period pain. Got this clip from Miranda. See, watch that white box van. Just cut straight across everybody else. What a retard. That driver there always has to carry a straw with him because his driving sucks. Got this clip here from Edis, and you'll find him on @Edis1975 on X. Got this truck here, and there's a big sign on the back that says lane closed, do not pass. And you've got this idiot in this SUV trying to pass. The driver of the truck jumps out and says to the SUV driver, if I gave you £1 for every intelligent thought you've ever had, you'd be living on benefits, pal. Got this clip here from Helio, and you'll find him at Helim0101 on X. Anyway, you went to the automated car wash. You know the one you just drive straight through and it's got the big fluffy thing what spins round. He couldn't go in because he was stuck behind this Uber idiot in the Toyota Prius in full retard mode. Now this idiot in the Prius had been at this for 5 minutes before he started filming. I'm going to speed this up here. The very complex task of just driving in a straight line in a confined area is totally alien to these retards. They get very confused, and at this moment in time he's about as confused as a shark was just turned vegetarian, and as I speak he's just done it. What a legend, and what a display of precision driving we just witnessed right there. Let's have a look at some idiots on some bikes. Okay, so first out the gate, we're on board with this Lance Armstrong wannabe. Sees a guy in front, he wants to pull out, overtake him, show him how it's done. That's exactly what he is going to do, but he hits a bit of water there and he goes down like a lead parachute. Splosh in the puddle, right in the puddle. Then the other bloke who he just overtook come up to him and says, why are you trying to ride like that when we can both see that your brain works as well as a paper propeller on a speedboat? Got this clip here from Edis, and you'll find him on @Edis1975 on X. We're on board with Silly Legs, holding the handlebars with one hand, filming himself with the other, because he's not the brightest fairy light on the Christmas tree, that's why. Here we are, on board with another two-wheel, two-brain cell idiot. Goes to undertake this vehicle here, what's in front of him. Doesn't see the pedestrian and almost takes him out. If he was living in the land of the witless, he would be the supreme king. Got this clip here from Ali June. He's sitting at these red lights just waiting for him to turn green. That's it, they're green so he can go. But you can't go when there's a dumbaroo rider who rides straight across you through his red light. He's as dumb as a rock. No, tell a lie. Rocks are useful. They can hold the door open. The only thing he can hold open is his mouth if you ask him a question. Got this clip here from Seth, and he's going through his green light, but he's got to be careful because there's 3 little proper lemon slices riding lime bikes going through their red light straight in front of him. In case you've ever wondered what lime stands for, it's limited intelligence, missed education, prime example in front of you here, all over the road, taking selfies, holding the phone, all over the place. You've heard of the 3 wise monkeys, hear no evil, say no evil and see no evil? Well, these are the 3 dumb monkeys. Think nothing clever, say nothing clever and see nothing clever in the mirror. Got this clip here from Ivor, and you'll find him on @HappinessDays on X. Now we're following another Lime bike rider here. Remember, Lime, limited intelligence, missed education, and this is no exception to the rule. He's gone down for no reason at all. No, there was a reason. It was a car parked on the left. It's always the car's fault. And you also know that his parents always change the subject as soon as anyone asks about him. Anyway, got this guy riding towards the barrier. He doesn't see the barrier and he rides straight into it. And the woman in the white coat's looking at him thinking to herself, my God, if he was riding along in a tunnel heading for the light at the end, he'd still make a wrong turn and get lost. Got this clip here from Rose41. We're sitting at this junction here, and the cyclist comes from the right to the left, goes straight in the side of the car there. The only positive thing he'll be to the local community is an organ donor. Got this clip here from Mandy H, and she's approaching this junction, but she's got to slow right down because there's an idiot with the intelligence of a damp J-cloth who just rides across the road straight in front of her. You could eat a bowl of alphabet spaghetti and you'd be able to pull out more words than that idiot could put together in his brain. Well, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. Also, a big thanks to everyone who sent in video clips. Really appreciate you guys as usual. What we're looking at here is a very lovely, majestic old Rolls Royce. I haven't got a clue what year it is, what model it is, but it's absolutely stunning. And thanks for your support. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.